What's up, Discount Divas and Dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, I got some hot Family Dollar deals that I did. And not only did I get 5 off of 25, I got an extra $5 off of each transaction I'm going to show y'all. That's because, when they had that 4-day sale and the Dove was on buy one get one 50%, I had got some Dove on a couple of my accounts, which gave me that extra $5 back. So I saved it for Saturday because it can go with your 5 off 25. So if you ever do the Dove deal where you get your 5 back, try to save it for Saturday so you can use it with your 5 off 25, so it'll be 10 off instead of 5. And am I missing anything? No, not missing anything. I did just catch a Uber to Circle K because I had to get a couple items, and the driver was a douchebag. But on top of that, everything has been going smooth today. I'm cooking some, what is that, beef stew, and it is taking forever, y'all. I'm hungry. I think I picked the wrong thing to cook. But enough of me yapping. Let's get into this video. But before we do, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into these Family Dollar deals. Okay, y'all, here is my first transaction. And as y'all can see, they have a new product at Family Dollar, and it's the Bean shampoo and conditioners. They come in many different colors, and they all do different things. But this is for frizzy hair, I'm guessing, because it's saying goodbye frizz, and it's for like 2A, 2C, wavy or frizzy hair. So those came in clutch. Plus, they gave us a coupon on those. But let's get into these two game products. I had spent 20, save $5 on the Gain Happy products. So I got the Gain Happy beads for $10.50, and the Gain Happy detergent was $17.50. They took $5 off of that, so that was $15. Then on the Gain dryer sheets, they were $4.90 with $1 off, making them $3.90. The Gain flings was $4.90 with $1 off, making them $3.90 as well. Then on the Bean, they are $7 each, totaling $14. We have $3 off of that, making these $11. So the total after coupons was $31.80, making each item $5.30. And I guess I would take the $5.30 for each item because I got some shampoo and conditioner, and I got a big thing of detergent and beads. I'm not so sure about the dryer sheets and the Gain flings, but I'll take it. $31. Hey, for all of these items, you cannot beat that. Now let's get into my next transaction. Okay, y'all, this was a killer deal right here, y'all. Killer deal. Check it out. These Huggy Snug and Dry are on sale for two for $17. So I got two of those. Then the little movers were on sale for $12. They are originally 13. We have a $2 digital coming off, making them $10. So the total for me after coupons was $17. And y'all, I didn't even know diapers don't have tax on them. I thought they had tax, but I guess they didn't. So this was an even $17, making each item $5.66 each. Second transaction. Now let's get into the third transaction. Okay, y'all, here is the third transaction, and after this we got one more transaction, then we will be ending this video. But I just paid attention to these Oxy Tide Pods. I asked for the Downy Pods. I mean, that's my fault for not paying attention. I'm glad my coupon came off. But anyway, the Tide with Downy 65 loads, liquid was $17.45. We have $3 off, making it $14.45. The Tide 25 XL odor and Oxy Pods was $14.25. We have $3 off, making them $11.25. Then the Tide Simply, it is the 48 loads. It was $7.40, had $1 off, making it $6.40. Downy fabric softener was $5.80. Nothing came off. It was supposed to be $1 coming off. I wish I would have seen that, but I just now looked at all my receipts. So $5.80, nothing came off. And I scanned it and $1 coupon popped up, so I don't know what happened. But the Downy dryer sheets was $6.30. That dollar came off, making it $5.30. So the total for all of these items was $33.20, making each item $6.64 each. And I'm not mad at that total at all. And that's just because the dollar did not come off the Downy. So I got these Tide items. Then we have one last transaction. So let's get into it. Okay, y'all, here is my last transaction, and I had got two of the Scott toilet papers, two of the Scott towel papers. Then you have the Arm & Hammer dryer sheets and the Arm & Hammer detergent. So on the toilet paper, it was $10. We have $2 off, making it $8. Same for the towel paper. It was $10. We had $2 off, making it $8. Then the dryer sheets was $4.20 each. No coupons, so they was $8.40. Then on the Arm & Hammer, it was $13.25. We have $4 coming off, making it $9.25. And then I got a bag, well, my ride, a bag of Doritos that was $4.50. So the total after coupons for these items was $28.15, making each item $4.02. And I'm glad I got this for $4. And they usually have something on Ibotta where you get money back for these as well, but they don't currently have it on there. Everybody's account is different. You can check yours, but you want to search for any grocery store, not Family Dollar, because you won't find it because they took it off of Ibotta. So we go through any grocery store and it will let you scan your receipt for Family Dollar. And that's only if you have, something in there that you're supposed to get money back for. So, y'all, that is the end of this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so y'all don't miss out, because no telling what type of deal I'll be dropping next. Plus, y'all, tomorrow will probably be me showing y'all some next week's this week's deals that are coming up. So I'm gonna check out tonight who's having the best deals this week, and we'll be sharing that with y'all tomorrow. So with that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.